What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to be checking out Phone Rebel's crystal clear case. Well, crystal case. This is the clear case. They have 3 different versions of their cases. He's got the carbon fiber one, and then the crystal one, and then the frosted. So this is just the crystal one. They all look very, very, very similar. This one's clear on the back. The frosted one, as you guessed, it's got a frosted back to it, and then the carbon fiber one just has a carbon fiber style back. These started shipping, I believe, 2 days ago. The crystal one just shipped today, so I just got it today. And then I believe the carbon fiber one should be shipping in the next few days. One thing that drew me to this case was I love the feel of my phone without any case on it. However, with a 3-year-old, it's very hard to, or it makes me cringe when I give her my phone. And the fact that she could possibly drop it at any time, that really scares me. So I went ahead and picked up this case because it looks like that the design that he went with is it makes it as slim as possible, as well as keeping the actual anti-shock bumpers. It makes it so if you actually drop the phone, then everything will be protected, unless you actually catch this on the edge of a table or something like that, or anything, or rock or something like that. But either way, he's gone through many, I think I don't want to say years, but he's gone through many months of R&D on this, and he just finally released it. He goes by EverythingApplePro on YouTube. I'll link his YouTube channel in my description below, so you can check him out too as well. That's where I get all my updates for any Apple devices like iPhones or AirPods or even iMac stuff or MacBook Pro. He shows rumors that come out, leaks, anything like that. So I watch his channel very diligently. But anyways, so let's get further on this. So as you can see here, it's got exposed sides for maximum comfort, which I really like. That's going to be neat. Clear finish, providing holding grip. Aggressive edge guards, top and bottom, so that way if you drop it, you got aggressive edges here, so that way it helps from the shock. Scratch resistance, anti-shock bumper linings, like we just talked about. And then they're saying it will not yellow over time, which is really nice. So the back clear glass will not yellow over time, so that's really nice. It's thin enough so that way the wireless charging makes it's compatible with that. And then also screen and side protection included. So it looks like it may come with a screen protector. So we'll see. Let's check out and see what you get in the box. Now I wanted to say that this is for, oh, that's really cool. I opened up the wrong way. But this is for the iPhone Pro Max. They're all the same. Obviously the design's different and the size different, but they're all pretty much the same design. Not pretty much, but they are the same design. So this is just the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's try to open it up without cutting myself. Almost did it twice now. So let's see here. I just wanted to point this out. Well done. He made it so that it opens up just like a Apple, or not an Apple provided case, but an Apple branded case. Nice and easy. That is cool. I love the packaging in the box here. I love the packaging, and that's something I really do enjoy on Apple products is the packaging. So that's cool. I'm glad he went through that design as well. So as you can see here, here's the actual case itself. It's clear. I'm trying not to put any fingerprints on the back, or actually the back of the glass, so that way when I put my phone, it'll be good. Now, one thing I will say that I'm really eager to find out. I like the fact that my case the case that's not on here actually. I use the Apple leather case, so I really like the fact that the bottom is cut out, so it's really nice and easy feeling on my actual finger here, so that way I can rest it on there. Most of the times when it doesn't have that, I feel like it cuts into my finger. So I'm really eager to find out how well this works. So as you can see here, you got some shock providers here, shock resistance providers on each corner and the very top. None at the very bottom, but I think it's because you got the speaker and microphone cut out and the charging port cut out. Now, one thing you want to notice, like most cases nowadays, since you got the bump for the camera, it actually provides enough distance here for the bump, so that way you don't have an uneven phone on your desk. So let's go ahead and get this in the case and check it out. Actually, let's see how easy it is to get in the case. I'll go ahead and put it on the top to bottom. Oh, yep, super easy. Ooh, I really like it so far. Now, one thing I noticed here is the cutout right here is very close to the power button. I'm not sure how And also the cutout right there. Oh, I like that because on my other case, there's actually a cutout just for that, and it's very hard to get to. So that's really nice and easy to get to. I don't think that's gonna be a problem. I thought it might be a problem at the very beginning, but I don't think it's going to be now. Dang it, I should have really wiped it before I put it on, but I'll take it off later. So I've got the space gray model of the phone itself, and so I really like that you can see it very well in the back. It's a little weird to the feeling, a little weird to the hands. The cutout, I can get used to that. I like that. It's really, really slim, makes the phone feel really slim, but you can actually still tell that there's a little bit of bulk to it at the very top and bottom. Now, holding it on the pinky finger, just like I usually do when I type or text or anything like that, really smooth down here. So there's no sharp edges or anything like that. So I think that'll be just fine. I don't use the charging port anyways. I use the actual wireless charger on this, so I'm not really worried about that. But either way, it's got the cutout. But other than that, I really like that. I'll have to use this for a few days and see how well. I think I'm really gonna like it actually. And I knew I would. I liked the design. Once I saw the design, I really thought I was gonna like it. And now that I have it, this is gonna be awesome. I can't wait to use this every day. Let's go ahead and see if there's anything else in the box. Oh, there is. Does it come with stickers? I don't know. So it comes with, it comes with a really nice screen protector. So that's nice. And it comes with a screen cleaner with his logo on it and a little microfiber towel. And then it looks like it comes with some side protection, I believe. Yeah, it looks like side protection if you wanted to use it. I'm not going to. I'm not going to use a screen protector. I'm very anti-screen protector. I've never really liked it. Just never found one that I really like. And I really never ever have any issues with scratching my screen. But that's nice that it comes with it. Now, I haven't even mentioned price on this. It is a little bit more expensive than some of your cases you look for on Amazon. However, it's right online with, or not online, but in line with Apple's cases. This was a 30 bucks shipped, I believe. I know the carbon fiber one's $40, a little bit more money. And then the frosted one's $30 as well. But other than that, it's not cheap by any means, not a cheap case by any means, but I think it's well worth it just by, oh yeah, I think I'm really gonna love this case. But either way, I don't even know his name. I'm just gonna call him Phone Rebel. I know he said his name in his videos many times or on his Instagram, but either way, if you watch this video, I really love it. I'm proud of you. I'm glad that you spent all the time R&D in this, and anybody else that's helped you out, congrats to you guys. I'm gonna enjoy my phone case now. Either way, I will link it in the description below so you can check it out yourself, right to his website. I don't get any money for the link, so click on the link to check it out yourself. And this is no way, I paid for this with my own money, so he's not sponsoring this video at all, clearly. I only have like 7,000 subscribers, so it doesn't even matter. But other than that, if this is your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, comments, or opinions about the case or anything like that, put it in the description below, or not in the description, but in the comment section below, and I will see you next time.